What have we got? Present time?
Yes.
Look at that.
Our little centre caps that we've been missing for ages. These have looked terrible without these here. I don't know how easy these are going to be to put in.
We'll soon find out. Quality eBay specials.
Yeah. They don't fit. They're too big.
Look alright to me then.
Oh. Oh, they do. Fit.
Nice. Yeah.
What are we saying?
Yeah, they're cheap. They're not a genuine Audi product. But
No. Although,
right.
and you are big on things that aren't genuine.
Well, yeah, true. How much did we pay for them?
I think they were about £8, weren't they? £9,
So
something like that.
about £2 each. And
Yeah.
how much were the Audi ones?
I think they were about £25 each actually.
Right, so 100
Yeah.
quid for 4 and
Yeah.
we paid a tenner.
We paid a tenner for them, and obviously they're not legit, but from half a mile away they look sound, don't they?
These are the non-genuine cheap
Jaguar.
eBay specials, and these are the genuine Audi RS3 ones. No difference whatsoever.
It's only the silver bit round the edge, but you could get them as aftermarket ones.
You're just paying for a name, aren't you? You're just paying for the rings there. The rings.
It's all about the rings.
You're just a snob. You're a car snob.
You're worse than me.
No, you're way worse than me.
Where am I?
Right, so what are we doing today then? We're not putting that, if that's the only thing we're doing today, that's taking about a minute, so...
No, so we've got a big job on today. So the interior of this RS4 is, well, it's minging. I mean, have a look at them seats there. They're horrible. There's a wasp. I'm shit scared of wasps. Piss off. Ah! Right, so, fuck off.
Getting chased by a wasp.
Is it fucked off now? Fuck's sake.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm just getting away from the wasp, aren't I? Can't be held responsible for my own actions. So,
Right, come on, what are we doing
so
today?
you can see the interior here, it's minging, it's grey. The headlining is grey as well. And everything else in it is grey, it's just horrible. So what we're going to do is, we've gone and bought, come have a look at this. Now it needs a bit of a clean, it's come out of an old A4. So the guy originally had it up on eBay for 285 quid. We offered him 100. And then I think we settled on 130 quid for it all, roof lining, the light thing, and all the other bits.
Seems a bit there to me, it looks...
Just needs a clean.
Cranky that.
Just needs a clean. I told you, get your hoover out.
That's horrible. Look at that, it's all scratched up.
Yeah, it will be if you're chucking them on the thingy that way around.
Did you look at it before we give it you?
Yeah.
Or did he just put it in and say,
No,
check it when you get
it
home?
just needs a wipe down, that's all. That's what I said, we need a hoover and like a wipe. That's all we need. 5-minute job.
I hope this looks better in the car than it does in the
need
back
your-
of this car.
We need your missus here. She'd literally have
Run
this
the
looking
hoover
amazing.
over it.
Yeah.
Right, so you're saying this is a dead easy job.
Yeah.
And I'm saying it looks like a right nightmare. So one of us is going to be right.
Yeah, me. It always is.
But you're saying, go on, you're saying what?
Look, there's no screws, it's all just clips. You're just going to clip in. There's going to be the odd screw here or there, like that's got one screw in it there at the bottom. Just going to be the odd screw. That's probably going to have that's the rear view mirror and these sun visor things that'll be holding that up. There'll be a screw at the back. All the other bits of trim will be holding that up, so it'll all be just like clips and shit. How hard can it be, man?
If you know so much about it, you might as well do it and I'll watch.
Really? That sounds about right. Unbelievable, Jeff. Come on then.
We've got all this bit off, all there up to now, and we're already hit a problem because you might have to resort to YouTube for this.
Yeah, I'd say it pushes down.
Right, because we've done the other side, this should be a one-handed job to get this off. Let's have a look. Right, so you stick that down there. There you go. It's out. It's so easy. Took about 10 minutes on that. There you go.
I don't know what this was. Do you reckon this is to our illegal thingamabob?
Oh, the radar jammer thing
Yeah.
that you found. Yeah, possibilities.
Oh.
Does it go to nowhere? A wire to nowhere. Meanwhile, in the back, this guy's doing some damage because I can hear things snapping and breaking and stuff.
I'm doing
What's
it you?
happening?
I don't know, mate. I don't
You're
really
too
know what I'm
heavy-handed, you're
doing.
worse than me. Right, we're motoring now. Go on,
What the fuck?
what's happening?
That thing, it's stuck in up there.
The radar jammer.
Yeah, see it?
Oh, that looks, should have left that in.
Oh, it's fucked.
Rip it out. Incriminating.
Yeah. We are law-abiding citizens, us. I don't know what they came off, but then does a radar jammer actually need a GPS thing? Yeah. But that literally went right the way down the trim and then into the bit.
Maybe it was some sort of aftermarket sat-nav thing.
Maybe. Come on, you fucker. Yeah.
That's it. Is this the headline innings?
Yeah.
Should we Febreze the stuff when we put it back in?
I think we should.
Give it a bit of a nicer smell. I'm going to go and find the Febreze.
How do these clips come off? These ones? Because that seems to be holding.
Oh, they'll pop off. Yeah, they'll pop off with that screwdriver.
Fucking hell, are you sure?
Got to do.
Jesus.
I need the big hammer on this.
Yeah. Wasn't hot before. Fucking boiling now.
Yeah, it's in the middle of summer and you've got a jumper on. So you're pretty sure that it's this that's holding it on?
Yeah. You just leave it to me, pal. You're right there with the camera, yeah?
Yeah.
Just chilling.
Well, better to leave it to someone who knows what they're doing.
Well, you know,
doesn't.
considering I'm practically an Audi trained technician.
Oh yeah, you got a certificate.
You don't need none of that shit, mate. I just thought, how does it come out?
Yeah, wow.
The headlining's in and out.
Just rip it out.
Wait, it's a saloon now. How are we going to get it back in? That guy had his windscreen.
Oh,
Right, sir.
it's not a windscreen out job, is it?
Oh, fucking hope not, 'cause we just had a new one.
So we've hit the first snag.
How are we going to get it out?
Uh,
And then get the new one in?
Plan B, first idea we've had. We're going to try and get it out diagonally through this door. Now, this is a bit optimistic, but I can't see him having to take the window out to get headliners in, can you?
I wouldn't have thought so.
Right, let's have a go then.
But then in the factory, do they put them in before, put the headlining in before the windscreen goes on?
No, I can't say they do.
No.
Not that I've seen a lot of like factory builds on these. No, this will come through. We're just being pessimistic. Let's stick on the side of optimism.
No.
So this little YouTube channel we were supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
Where are you? We're supposed to be driving cars and stuff. This has gone way off the point.
This is ridiculous. Whose idea was this?
I could have gone and got a job at Audi if I was going to do this. Even though you're doing it. It's hard work watching.
I bet.
Yeah, I'm helping you out here, look. What's happening here? Crap all over.
Right.
Right, disconnect that. There's too many connections here.
Yeah. That is disconnected now.
Oh yeah, let's have a look. Alright, this will come through this door now. Easy, maybe. Might need two hands on this. And that seat's in the way. You going that way?
It might come out this way.
Door's in the way. Come around this side, it'll come out this side. I've got a big job here, I'm holding the camera. Don't need a two-man job, does it?
No. No, I don't think it'll come out of that side.
Do you reckon?
No.
Even with it up in the air like that? But this is a joke, this.
I'm pretty sure we'll probably have to take it out at that side. We'll just have to move the steering wheel in. In fact, it's probably better out that side.
I've got wires and stuff in the way here now. The GoPro's in the way. Right, we've got it. We've got it.
Told you.
Easy. One-handed. Look at that.
Do you know where all these wires go?
No. We'll just put it back in. We don't need any lights. We never go out in the night times, do we?
That's two.
Right, we finish it now. Can't be bothered now.
It's track ready now, isn't it?
Yeah. Should we just leave it as a track car?
That was
Hold
a
on.
big job, that.
Let's have a look. Proper track car. That now. Look. Yes. Should we leave it? Take the airbags out. What do you reckon? Cheap car, isn't it?
Yeah, very cheap.
Comment and stuff. And what should we do with it? Get it back to original, or do a track car with it. So we've done about an hour now. So probably take another 2 hours to put it all back in. progress. Putting this in is taking about half an hour at least, putting all the wires back in, but we're getting there.
So they're all in there now, that can go in Thor there, lad.
Yep. 3:45, making progress, headliners in. Just got to put a few little bits and pieces in, that bit, got to take that off actually. These edge pieces, some visors, and then pretty much done. Would you ever do this job again?
Hell no, what a ball ache. We're getting there. I was expecting a headrest then. We're getting there, yeah?
Did you know that we've had some complaints? We've had some complaints that the Cookie Monster absolutely stinks.
He does stink, he needs a bath.
So we're going to spray him with some star drops. So I'll do that while you finish that off.
Alright, you take the nice easy job, no problem. See you later. That was hard work, that. I'm not doing that again.
But look at this. Look at what you've done.
I know, it does look much better. Look at that.
That is miles nicer than that horrible.
See why so many people do it and change the headlining and the trim bits for black instead of the horrible grey, beigey shit colour.
The thing is, it doesn't look black on there because the camera's exposing it. But if you look at it from there, it is black. It's really, well, it's like a charcoal, isn't it? It's like a charcoal.
It's just loads better.
But it is nice. So we just got to change the seats now.
Just need the wing backs. If anybody knows anybody that's selling some cheap though, not spending like $2.5–3 grand like some of these lunatics are looking for some of them.
Not on our cheap RS4.
No.
So pretty big. Well, big. It was a big video for us. It took us a while, but it's probably going to be quite a boring video. So hopefully you didn't fall asleep watching it. Bit dejected today, aren't we?
I am. I'm goose. My arms hurting. They've been above my head.
But the best thing I think is them caps.
Yeah.
Look how good them wheels look. I know we did it at the beginning, but they do look good. We'll give it a wash, bit of a polish.
Yeah, it's filthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna look mega.
All good.
We're getting there.
All right. See you in a bit.
See you later.
Bye.